Hello everyone. So today's topic is write a C program to take n number of values from user and store them in an array. Okay, and also we are going to print the elements stored in the array. So first we are asking user, okay, or we are getting the values from user, and then we are printing the same value which are stored in what array. So first of all, two header files, that is hash include stdio.h and hash include conio.h, then void main function and open the bracket. So now when it comes to array, okay, now normally when we declare any variable, so we write data type, then space and then variable name. Okay, data type means integer, float, character, it can be any kind of data type. But here when it comes to declaration of array variable, okay, so first thing is that data type. So here I have used data type as what, integer, and after that declaration of array we write array name and size also. So here I have used a and then size as what, 10, which means name of this array is a and for that array size is what, 10. You can write 20, 30, 40, 50, depends on your program. Okay, and now in the next line two more variable declaration, that is integer I and integer n. Now first of all we are asking user, okay, that enter the size of what, array. So it means we are asking user that how many numbers you want to enter. Like if I say 5, which means I want to enter 5 different numbers. If I say 10, which means I want to enter 10 different numbers. So here basically we are asking that how many numbers you want to enter. So let's say for example, if I say 5, okay. So after that obviously I have to enter 5 different numbers, and obviously I have to store that 5 numbers also in an array. So here we require for loop also. So first of all, printf enter and then %d is there. Okay, so replace %d with n, and as per our assumption n is what, 5. So enter 5 elements in the what, array. So that message will come that now you enter 5 elements in the array. Now after that, for I equal to 0, I less than n and I plus plus, which means we are starting our for loop from I equal to 0. Okay, and I less than n. So our, as per our assumption, n is 5, which means it will be like 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Total is 5, but your for loop is still 4 because it is starting from what, 0. Now scanf %d comma ampersand, and while speaking it is a of I. Okay, that means a and then bracket is there, and inside that square bracket I is there. So while speaking it is a of I. Okay, so basically it means that I equal to 0. Okay, here condition. Okay, after that I less than n, which means what, 0 is less than 5. So we know it, condition is true, it will go inside. Scanf means what, we are asking user that you enter any one number, different random numbers. So like for example, user will enter 5 or 10 or any random number. So that will get stored in which location, a of 0, because value of I is what, 0. So a of 0 will have the first value. Okay, now closing bracket, which means I plus plus. So we are incrementing the value of I by what, 1. Now again condition 1 less than 5. Obviously condition is what, true. Again it will go inside of that for loop, scanf. Again a of 1, which means now second time whatever value you will enter, that will get stored in what, a of 1. Likewise a of 2. Likewise a of 3. Likewise a of what, 4. Which means we are done with the 5 values, a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3 and a of 4. So we have 5 values at this location. Now it's time to print the values of a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, a of 4. So again we require one more for loop for printing purpose, which means in this program two for loops, one for taking the values from user and one just to print on your output screen. So here printf elements in the array are. So we are just printing that statement using the printf command as it is only. So here I equal to 0, again same condition, I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, open the bracket, and now instead of scanf it's time to print. So we are using printf %d and then a of I, which means first it will print a of 0 value, then a of 1 value, then a of 2 value, then a of 3, and then after that a of 4, and then closing of this for loop, and this indicates the closing of your void main function bracket. Okay, so now the output is enter the size of an array. So let's say for example 5. So enter 5 elements in the array. So like 10, 15, 25, 50 and 80. So same thing, elements in the array are 10, 15, 25, 50 and what? 80. Thank you.